Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So, ingredients which I am using is coffee powder, coconut oil, and third one is sugar. So I am using brown sugar. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, any sugar you want. And the coconut oil I am using is extra virgin coconut oil and the normal coffee powder. So let's get started. Need to be harsh, just rub it gently. Now what we have to do is we have to leave this 10 to 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes hey guys, so you can use this method twice or thrice a week according to your convenience. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you really like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Goodbye. Happy lip care, guys.